Hello guys, welcome to my Igbo class. This summer holiday, we are going to be learning Igbo, how to read, how to write, and how to speak Igbo. So the strategy we are using is that we will learn the letters first. Then after that, we will learn two-letter words. As I'm teaching you the two-letter words, I'm going to be telling you the meaning so that you will also understand it. Then after that, we'll move on to three-letter words, four-letter words, and so on and so forth. So today we are starting with the letters. And as you can see, we have here A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, I, J, K, B, Kwe, Le, Me, Ne, Nye, Nwe, Nye, O, A, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Thank you. Learn the letters. Tomorrow we'll continue with two-letter words.